How do guardianships and conservatorships work for MD families? Navigating the world of guardianships and conservatorships can feel overwhelming, especially for families affected by muscular dystrophy. In Maryland, these legal arrangements are designed to support individuals who may struggle to manage their personal care or finances due to disability or illness. For families dealing with muscular dystrophy, understanding how these systems work can provide peace of mind and ensure that their loved ones receive the care they need. There are two primary types of guardianship in Maryland. The first is the conservator of the person, also known as the guardian of the person. This guardian is responsible for making decisions about daily personal care. This includes managing living arrangements, medical treatments, and overall health and welfare. For someone with muscular dystrophy, who may face progressive physical limitations, having a guardian in this role is crucial. They can help coordinate care and ensure safety in daily life. The second type is the conservator of the property, or guardian of the property. This guardian takes charge of financial matters, such as paying bills, managing assets, and making investment decisions. This role is vital for protecting the financial interests of someone with muscular dystrophy, especially if they are unable to handle money independently. In some cases, a single guardian may be appointed to handle both personal and financial matters. This is known as full guardianship. The process begins when a family member or close friend files a petition with the Maryland Circuit Court in the county where the person with muscular dystrophy resides. The court requires evidence that the individual cannot manage their affairs. This evidence typically includes medical documentation from physicians or qualified mental health professionals. When considering the petition, the court looks at several factors. They assess the medical condition and how it affects the person's ability to care for themselves or manage finances. The court also examines whether less restrictive alternatives to guardianship have been tried or considered. Importantly, the best interests of the person with muscular dystrophy are always a priority. If the court approves the petition, they will appoint a guardian who must act in the best interest of the individual. This often involves court supervision and reporting requirements to ensure accountability. Guardianships are meant to be a last resort, used when the individual cannot make responsible decisions. Maryland law encourages exploring alternatives first, like powers of attorney or supported decision-making agreements. These options may be more suitable for individuals with some decision-making capacity. For families affected by muscular dystrophy, guardianship can be essential for managing complex medical care and financial planning. Guardians can work with healthcare providers, manage insurance and benefits, and ensure that the person's needs are met as the disease progresses. Additionally, Maryland has a public guardianship program for individuals over 65 who lack suitable family or friends to serve as guardians. This program appoints a public guardian to protect vulnerable adults. In summary, guardianships and conservatorships in Maryland provide a legal framework for families of individuals with muscular dystrophy. They help protect and manage personal care and financial affairs when the individual is unable to do so independently. The process is court-supervised, requires medical evidence, and aims to balance protection with respect for the individual's autonomy whenever possible. Understanding these options can empower families to make informed decisions and ensure their loved ones receive the support they need.